They are here to take their trailer. We're finally gonna have this garage ready for Scoops to park all his cars. Where's Cooper? By himself? Oh my goodness. Let's go check on Scooper. He's all by himself. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, oh. Hi, Scooper. How are you?
Hi,
Oh.
where are you going?
You're so cute. You ready to drive? Are you ready to drive?
Right.
Yeah. Where's the wheel? Beep, beep.
I see.
On the ground? How about the steering wheel? Yeah. Beep, beep.
Go, let's go.
Toot, toot, beep, beep. I'm what? Oh, he's got a black eye still. Bedtime?
Yay.
Yeah.
Push radio.
Push radio? So cute. We are chilling outside in the garage, and Brian's finally working on the RV. Let's see what he's up to. He wanted us out here to watch him, cheer him up, do all sorts of craziness in here. Scooper helping out too? Oh my goodness. He is too cute. You helping? Oh my goodness, Scooper. Can I bring babies in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's hot though.
I don't feel like it's hot. Oh, it's a little hot. Scooper, are you hot? No? Okay. You're so helpful. I know you are. You can't do anything with the bed, huh? Nothing?
No, it's not even that.
You're not even thinking about it? Well, you gotta rip out the carpet.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay. We're getting here. We're getting here. Hubby is still going at it. Today we're gonna do electrical. There's a lot of wiring that needs to be done. Babies went to sleep upstairs. Scooper's such a big help. I know. And then we
Break
have
time.
spaghetti.
Getting colder. Your work in the next hour.
What did you?
Okay, hold the camera.
Kids are down and we're ready to work. Today was a day for sure. Let's see the progress of this RV. How's everything?
Test fitting and all that.
So this cabinet, we had to take the doors off because it wouldn't fit through there. And so it'll have to be for all of them like that.
I have to chop it up to get all this in there.
Yeah, make sure it fits. What is that?
What is what?
The water?
Yeah, it's a water heater.
Okay, so Brian had to cut a bunch of holes in here to run the plumbing. And then electrical and plumbing too, right?
Plumbing's done.
I know, but you have to cut the holes.
Yeah, the plumbing was in the other cabinet.
So that you could get the wires to go through, the tubings. It is like 11 p.m. right now, and got quite a bit of work to do. It's a small space, but you know. Here's the plumbing. Cut the hole. All custom made. This is framing for the refrigerator. A massive one that we're gonna put in. This is progress for today. We're gonna call it a night after we do these two, test fit it, and then wake up tomorrow and start up again. AT moves her trailer out and we move all our junk in, more junk. Oh my gosh, this is all of the RV stuff, and we're gonna try to get the cabinets done by today with the wiring and the plumbing. Cooper, can mommy come in? Look at his eyes. Oh my goodness.
Hello. Hi.
He ran into another student at school, turned the corner and bumped, collided, and now he has a big bruise. Uh-oh. Careful. Come on.
Oh no.
Okay, so coming in here. Looks like the cabinets are getting situated, test fitting. And I'm gonna start removing all these. I don't like it at all. So yeah. Hello. Just cleared out this area. Put babies up here and watch them. I disinfected this whole area. Every single time I clean, Scooper's always here to make another mess. Oh my gosh. We're getting there. You guys okay up there? Oh yeah. The board's coming in. It's to separate the refrigerator from everything else. Yeah, look at your eye. Oh my gosh, Scooper. Bedtime? Okay. Try to keep clean, okay, honey? This is the progress. We got the bottom cabinets in. Brian's doing the top. I cleared out this area and removed the board that was here. I didn't like that. So we're gonna make sure that's more space for us. Okay, so the upper cabinets we're gonna put up right now. Yeah, Scooper. Okay. Mommy and Daddy's gonna put this cabinet up, okay, Scoops? Wait.
I need to get glue.
Let me turn this off because we're gonna search for glue and that's gonna take a moment because Brian always leaves his stuff in the garage everywhere and doesn't know where to find it. So, yeah. All right, he's found the glue. You are using my glue caulking system. Before he wanted to do manually, but I bought this and much easier. Any more?
No, that's good. Keep going. Sorry.
To here?
Yeah. So look at your left edge.
To the line, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, I got it.
There. Is it?
Yep. Yay, we have an upper cabinet. Are we good?
I'll add more in a bit.
There's like a piece of trash. Is this supposed to be here? No, right? Okay. Yay! I wish these cabinets were white inside. I know a manufacturer that does it, but I forgot I don't have the contact anymore. Changed his number, but if it's white inside, it would be perfect. But since these have when the doors are closed, you won't see it. So, yeah. Next time when I renovate, I will definitely get one that's white inside. So Scooper's getting bored. He has been playing a lot outside with us, but he's getting bored, so he got his iPad going and his snacks, and he's good to go. Yeah, yan yans. Thank you, baby. You're sharing. Thank you. Snail, slow mail. Second cabinet.
So I'll lift it, and then you could slowly pull all three cables.
You know Brian loves to screw everything. Like a million screws in there.
I'll lift it.
Okay.
Good. And then that one on the left. The one on the left. Good.
Alright. Okay, mine needs to go to the left a little bit.
No, we line it up like this.
Okay.
Just gotta be sure your back is up. Alright, that's good. I'll do the rest.
There you go. Cabinet number 2. Alright, the last bit is the wine rack right here. I'm not sure how it'll handle wine when we're on the road. Right here? X right here?
Yeah, both left, the back and the side.
I think it's running out.
Is it?
Yeah. Hold a moment. The wine rack fits right here because we're going to put a microwave right here. We decided not to do one with a hood because, I mean, the window's already open. You know, if you want to cook, you might as well open the window, you know? That way, it's 2-in-1 microwave and a hood, like how we have in our loft. This is much easier. So while we're doing this, I had to go back up and down, take care of the babies, bring them down here, bring them back up, make sure they're eating properly, change their diapers. Scooper also had to change his diaper a few times. Yes, you baby. He pooped a lot today. I don't know what he's eating. Spaghetti maybe? I don't know. But he pooped a lot.
Scooper, where's the hammer?
Okay.
Okay, let me get in there.
This is trash, right? Yes. We had the babies here earlier, but because Brian was hammering, Rain gets really scared. He starts crying. Like, if you sneeze, he starts crying. If you cough, he starts crying. Is it yummy? Messy. Yeah, I know. Mommy gonna get something white. I just gave him popsicle. Be right back, okay? So I literally want to demo everything, and Brian's like, no, let's keep everything. Uh-oh, so messy, Scooper. My goodness. So messy.
No, just.
Scooper, don't throw it outside. No. Go pick it up. Oh my God, it's such a hot mess. Okay.
We'll screw in this left side first. But basically, try not to smudge that.
Okay.
We'll shove it in.
Oh, this one's heavy.
Let's smudge this butt.
Careful, honey.
Is that as high as you can?
Yeah.
Okay. Once I screw it in, it should be in place. I'll let you know when. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Put your hand there. Push it up. Should be good.
And then underneath is going to be a microwave. Are we putting the microwave in today or what?
Sure, I think so.
So while Brian's doing that, I'm going to clean up because I'm his psyched cleanup person. got the microwave in.
We'll just set it on the hook. Okay. Oh, it's way higher.
That's it. Is it in?
Yours is, mine isn't. Okay, keep yours there. I just gotta angle it.
Get it?
No.
Get it?
Let me check. Mine's in.
Is mine in?
Yours in too. Yeah.
Okay, push. Push. Okay, made it in. Yes! Break time. Na 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 na. Okay, we got the cabinets in, some wiring, all that good stuff, plumbing, and the microwave works.
I turned off the breaker.
Oh, you did. It works, okay? Okay. And refrigerator area. We're getting real close.
Still got long to go.
I know, but one step.
Go this way. Scan it like this. Okay, next one. Next one. Get the next one. Okay, again. Next one.
Alright, so we should have done this a long time ago, but we didn't because Scooper was around here and these are like basically nails. They're just sticking out. He could have been injured. I'm doing it right now. You get close and you can see these are quite dangerous. It's like picking pimples for this area. Look at all those nails. Good thing that Scooper was just, you know, away from this area.
Dunked his head a lot though.
These?
You know, like wood sticking out at his head level. He runs into him. So keep that in mind.
These are dangerous. You can step on it and you're just like, ah!
He was hammering it before.
Really?
Yeah. And he stepped.
Oh my god. So dangerous. Do we have to remove this anyway? Because when you put the flooring on, you want to make sure the floor is flat so that it doesn't puncture through your beautiful flooring. Alright. Brian's gonna put the rest of the cabinets in. Oh, he already did. Except for that one. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we should call it a night. Come on, Bimbo. Okay. It is 1 a.m. and this is the damage that we did. Today we focus on the cabinets, the plumbing, the electrical, cutouts. There's a lot. And then this area, I focused on getting all the nails out. It took a moment. Didn't seem like it, but cleared out because we got to move our trailer. And then refrigerator will come in soon, maybe next week.
How about this mirror?
This mirror, we're taking it down.
I think it's glued, so it might be a little
Yeah, we'll figure something.
Breaky.
And then we have this whole area that I took out, the curtains, and then Brian just took out the curtains back here. So this is the bulk of it. And then we have lots and lots to do. Okay, we're running out of battery.
Check out the microwave.
It works.
Oh.
Alright guys, good night.
Beautiful.
See you guys tomorrow. Toodles.